Hello everyone! Today I want to show you my absolute favorite mascara, like of life, and how I apply it. And I'm actually not going to be using any primer underneath the mascara because I want you to see how it looks and how it builds and just the total result of it like without primer because, you know, why not? So the mascara I'm talking about is the Mary Kay Lash Love mascara, and this is just the regular one, not the lengthening. This is just the regular Lash Love. So this one definitely gives beautiful length and volume. It holds my curl throughout the day. It's absolutely beautiful, and it layers really nice. It is a silicone bristle. So normally I don't like the silicone type bristles. I poke myself in the eye or they just don't layer nicely. It's just not a usual preference, but when I tried this one, I was like, okay, I'll take it. So you guys got to see how I apply this and how it looks. So I'm going to come a little closer here. So pro tip, I always coat the back sides of my lashes before I just start doing my regular mascara motions. So what you'll want to do is you just want to look down into a mirror, coat the back, because that is going to really give you that extra something, something. All right, now we're going to go regular. Look at that, that's one coat. We're going to go in with another coat. 2 layers is all I do. But you can build it up as much as you would like. This is a very creamy formula, so it builds beautifully. You can really get that false lash look out of it. And it wears great too. And it doesn't smear, it doesn't smudge, it doesn't flake on me throughout the day. I love it. And for the price, my gosh, can't beat it. Voila. I always end up getting little smudgies because I flip my lashes up and then they touch my brow bone, and then I get those little smudgies. Another pro tip, let them dry. Don't touch them. Just leave them there until they're dry, and then you can take your finger or a Q-tip and just flick them away, and they just go away to nothing. So that's perfect. So we're going to do my bottom lashes. I only do 1 coat on my bottom. I don't feel the need for a ton of layering on the bottom. Again, I got smudgies, so I'm going to grab a Q-tip. And that's just user error. It's not the mascara's fault. Perfect. But look at that. Look at the difference in my eyes. I don't have any eyeliner on. All I have on is a little sweep of blush on my lid for like a natural shadow, because I wanted you guys to be able to see just the mascara, like nothing taking away from it, nothing distracting you from the lashes. So we're gonna go ahead and do the other eye. Here we go. Coating that back side first. Best way to do that is just to look down into a mirror. Same thing if you get smudgies, take a Q-tip, whisk it away, and keep on going. I mean, look at that. It's totally effortless. Like, you don't even have to work to get it to look like this. You just simply put it on. And that was just the one coat, so we're going in with coat number 2. Perfect. Gonna do the bottom. Oops, I just totally blocked your view with my mirror, didn't I? Sorry. Sorry, I'm an amateur with these videos, but gotta start somewhere. Perfect. So that is exactly why I love the Mary Kay Lash Love Mascara. If you guys need this, shop below.